When you start, you say what you say. Wait.
This is Dylan. This is and he's gonna do the cinnamon challenge with a teaspoon of cinnamon. He thinks he can do it. Swallow. Try to swallow. Try to swallow. Try to swallow. Cough. Cough it up.
No. Just do it from the hose. Okay.
You like chew it.
Right in your mouth.
Dylan. Is it good? Did you like it? That was Dylan and the cinnamon challenge. Say cheese. Cheese. Okay.